Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up. In order to do that, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of this Samsung device. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Tab Active 5. Also on Samsung device, using all of those categories from the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then select Receive button to continue. If you prefer to scan this QR code, you need to tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad and allow camera access in the pop-up. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!